Type gmail.com. Press enter. Click create account. Choose for myself. Type your first name and your last name. Create your username. Your username will be used as your email address. So here my username will be Jimmy101! Create your password. Retype your password. Click the eye icon to make your password visible for rechecking. If this error occurs, it means that the username has already been used by another person. You can choose the recommendations Google provides below. Click Next. Enter your phone number. Recovery email means when you cannot access your email or if there are any errors, you can use the recovery email as an alternative. Enter your birth date. Enter your gender. You will then receive a text message from Google for the code. Enter the received code. Scroll down and click I agree. Choose the format for your homepage. It could be default, comfortable, or compact. Then there you have it. You just create your Gmail account. Click here for the next tutorial, or click here for more videos.